This here is the Shark Lift-Away with the self-cleaning brush roll. What's cool about this vacuum is it has the swivel handle, so you can easily turn it so that you can get into those corners that may be difficult to reach. You can also detach the canister so that you can lift it up and clean wherever surface that needs to be reached that is not necessarily your carpet or your floor. And it comes with obviously different attachments, very long nozzle, so you have a little bit of a reach with it. But again, this is the Shark Lift-Away with the self-cleaning brush roll, and it's super light.